Well, I've been here almost 24 hours, and that under his belly's only got, looks like he's got the one swelling there now, but it's not much. Be interesting to see if it goes away. Wouldn't be surprised if that was just swollen up because he'd been bitten by a bug or something. And the girls look on. Well, here's the boy after I don't know how many weeks now. Lumps disappeared under his belly that he had. They're all gone. No more streaks down here apart from the finger mark. No more ribs. Got a bit of top line. Feet are good. So I think we might take you back to Ms. Tess and the rest of the guys on the other block till you end up all coming back here. What do you reckon, Mars Bar? You gonna miss him?